You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is n equals 14. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 2 to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the n. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2 over -1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is n equals 14.